Hi guys, welcome back to our Banglababy TV. Basic is the backbone of education. This channel is provide various education for child. I hope this video will helpful to your child. Not only that it is the great video for learn. Here attach attractive animation which is very enjoyable. Let's start. Little baby, how are you? Now we learn various bird name with English to Bangla. Read with me. Magpie. M-A-G-P-I-E. Magpie. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Heron. H-E-R-O-N. Heron. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Pigeon. B-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Jungle Myna. J-U-N-G-L-E-M-Y-N-A. Jungle Myna. Myna. M-Y-N-A-H. Myna. Yellow bird. Y-E-L-L-O-W-B-I-R-D. Yellow bird. Kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. kite. K I T E, kite. Owl, O W L, owl. Thanks for watching. Next video will be a new interesting things for kids. Get more videos, please subscribe, like, share, comment. God bless everybody.